Why programming jargon matters.
Starting your programming journey can feel overwhelming, especially with unfamiliar words everywhere. Understanding key terms helps you follow tutorials, communicate with others, and troubleshoot problems. Grasping the basics of programming vocabulary not only boosts your confidence, but also lays a strong foundation for more advanced learning. Let's break down the essential terms every beginner should know.
Variable, function, and syntax.
Variable refers to a space in memory used to store data, like numbers or text, that can change as your program runs. A function is a reusable block of code that performs a specific task. Think of it as a recipe you can use more than once. Syntax is the set of rules for how code must be written so the computer understands it.
Debugging, loop, and conditional.
Debugging is the process of finding and fixing errors in your code. A loop allows you to repeat actions multiple times automatically, saving time and effort. Conditionals let programs make decisions, using statements like if, else, and switch to execute code only under certain conditions. Mastering these concepts helps you write smarter, more efficient programs.
Library, API, and framework.
A library is a collection of pre-written code you can use to solve common problems without starting from scratch. An API, application programming interface, lets different programs communicate and share information. A framework is a structure of code that provides a foundation for building your own projects, offering guidelines and pre-built features to speed up development.
Compiling, IDE, and source code.
That compiling converts human-readable code into a format computers understand. An IDE, integrated development environment, brings together writing, testing, and debugging tools in one place, making programming easier and more organized. Source code is the original set of instructions you write, which the computer uses as a blueprint to perform tasks and solve problems.
Building your confidence with programming vocabulary.
Learning new terms may seem daunting at first, but understanding programming vocabulary opens doors to deeper learning and creativity. As you encounter these terms in tutorials, conversations, and documentation, you'll find it easier to grow your skills and take on exciting new challenges in the world of